Hello everyone, this is Harsh, the tech guy, and this video is also related to Windows tips and tricks. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Windows 10 Ultimate Performance Mode. So Microsoft already have a Ultimate Performance Mode, but in the 90% of your system, it is hidden. There is no any Ultimate Performance Mode. So in this video, I will show you how to enable the Ultimate Performance Mode. So let's get started. First you need to open your settings, so go through your settings, and now you can see there is a system option, so click on this, and in the left pane you can see there is a option power and sleep, so click on this. And now here in the right you can see additional power settings, so click on this additional power settings, and here you can see this is the power window. And here you can see in my system it is enabled high performance mode. So many of your systems are having this high performance mode, and you can change this as balanced and high performance. So I will, if you haven't on this setting, so firstly I will suggest you to on this high performance settings mode. It is very good performance, and it will also may use more energy, but don't worry, this performance settings is very good. Now here we can see we cannot see the ultimate performance settings, so now I will show you how to activate the ultimate performance mode. Okay, so before going further, let's know about what is ultimate performance and what does it do. So ultimate performance is for the high performance system. As Microsoft describes, it is a high performance plan associated with the high power management techniques. So it will increase your performance in the system of your computer, and with this performance you will experience very less lag, and you can perform high end tasks and do heavy loads to your CPU and in your GPU. Okay, so but there is also a one disadvantage of this ultimate performance mode, and that is it will consume more power in your laptop, and you need to always plug in your charger when your ultimate performance enables. So make sure you always plugged in your charger to enable this mode. Okay, now I am going to show you how to enable this. So let's close all this windows, and we will add this mode using command prompt. Okay, so go to the start and type here. Now I'm showing you, go through here and type cmd. Okay, now right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator, and you need to give yes. And now you can see we have opened our command prompt, and here we will type a ultimate command. So are you excited? Yeah, the command I am showing you. So this is the ultimate performance command. So you can see you have to write this code in the command prompt exactly as it is. No any errors and no any mistakes should be done. So and also this command is given in my video description. So go here and copy the command. Now I am copying this command, and here in the command prompt I need to paste. Now you can see we have successfully written there this command, and let's check it out more confirmly as it is right or wrong. So that's right, the command is all right. Now you need to hit enter on your keyboard. So hit your enter, and now you can see there is another option, and now we will have to close out this command prompt, and for closing we have to type here exit and hit enter. So now when you will go to your power options, then ultimate power should be there. So let's check it out. So I'm going here in the settings and in the systems, and then again in the power and sleeps, then additional power settings, and you can see we have now there is option show additional plans. Okay, now click on this button, and now here you can see we have successfully activated the ultimate performance mode in our PC. So this is the ultimate performance. Now click on this and enable in your laptop. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is useful for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated to the latest tips and tricks like this. And I will see you in the next video.